Tajikistan, and my name is Shoruh Nasimyon.
My name is Shorsamir.
Our project name is Alternative Way of Production Particle Board by using dry tree leaves and its economic importance in Tajikistan.
Our aim is to produce chipboards from dried tree leaves and reduce deforestation.
Today, the territory of Central Asia, many countries suffer crises, and Tajikistan is in the role of these countries.
There's increased need in wood production in Tajikistan, furniture, so the furniture becomes more expensive day by day because of this furniture and particle boards are bought abroad.
Due to many different kinds of trees, land in autumn becomes full of leaves. Workers just collect these leaves and throw away. Most of the leaves are burned.
But today we have to think differently.
We decided to use these leaves in a benefit way.
We decided to produce these chipboards from dried tree leaves.
And now we're going to explain you the steps of production of leaf chipboard.
Firstly, we collected this mixture content of these tree leaves and after collect them separately.
And second step is blending. We put the leaves into the mixer and crush into the small pieces. Then we put them in the blender and pulverize them. And then we've got this result.
These are the types of glues which we use in our chipboards. It's a super glue, it's a secunda glue, it's a PVA glue.
And the fourth and the last step is pressing. We put inside this frame the ready substance of glue and the leaves and then press them. And now we are going to talk about the advantage of leaf chipboard. The main advantage is safety. In production of usual chipboard, in glue of this chipboard, formaldehyde is used. Formaldehyde is carcinogen that can cause inflammation of mucosa of eyes and the breathing organs. But in our chipboard, our glue doesn't contain it.
The second advantage of our chipboard is they are made up of exactly from junk.
And it is ecologically friendly. Leaf chipboard is made up to 70% of recycled materials. And now we are going to talk about the uses.
The first uses of this chipboard is the humans use it in a concert halls, in the books and other places.
And also it is used in packaging as countertops and furniture. And now we found those prices of particle board in different countries all over the world. For example, in Tajikistan it costs $230 per meter cube, in the USA $260, the same size, Russia $130 and China $140.
And also we made here our tables of chipboards and here is the three types of glue, secunda glue, super glue, PVA glue, and the three types of leaves, oak leaves, ligustrum leaves, walnut leaves, and lastly mixed content. The cheapest chipboard is made up from PVA glue. Here you can see the prices, and the strongest one was made up with the secunda glue and the mixed content.
And now we are going to show you this chipboard. And here's the first example. This is made from secunda glue and it's the most strongest. And also we tried to make some experiments with super glue, but we couldn't give it to its shape due to reaction of super glue with the leaves.
And here's also another example of our chipboard. It's made up from PVA glue and it's not so strong than secunda glue.
And now we are coming to conclusion.
As table shown above, the best result was obtained from mixed in equal proportion by dry leaf particles. In the experiment we have done, the hardness also was measured. Again, in hardness, the mixed leaf particles could produce the hardest samples of chipboard.
In conclusion, we can say that using dry leaf as a parallel or alternative to as wood will have positive effect that may cut minimum 20% of tree cut in the world when this method reaches best individual use.